Alright, first thing first we're gonna do is we're gonna underneath the car. We got 15 millimeter. So let's go down. Alright, so what you need to do is you get a 15 millimeter socket and you need to loosen it up. Just loosen it up enough where it's about to start dripping. And when it's about to start dripping, then what you do is you will then put that oil pan underneath it, drain all the oil. After all the oil is drained, then we'll go back to the top of the vehicle. Place the O-ring. This one looks good. You want to place it, especially if it don't look too good. All right.